Hey, it's time for a tech tip with Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at why is it that your freezer is cold but your fridge is not cooling. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. In most cases, if your freezer section is cooling properly, but the refrigerator section is not, this may likely be an indication of a defrost issue. A refrigerator has an evaporator coil in the freezer section. This evaporator gets down to -20 to -5 degrees. In addition to the coil, you have an evaporator fan motor which draws air across the evaporator coil to circulate air into the freezer and refrigerator section. 70% of the air is circulated into the freezer section, and 30% of the air is circulated into the refrigerator section through an air damper assembly in the refrigerator. Sometimes a restriction may occur if frost is built up on the evaporator. In order to keep your evaporator from building up frost, your fridge has a defrost system. The defrost system consists of a defrost timer, a defrost thermostat, and a defrost heater. Some units have a control board with the timer in it, or some have a manual defrost timer. When the evaporator coil starts building up frost, the refrigerator must shut down to go through a defrost cycle to keep the coil clear so you can get air movement through the coil. This happens every 6 to 12 hours. If one of these three parts of the defrost system fails, the unit will never go into the defrost cycle, and the coil in turn builds up with frost. If you have a multimeter, you can take the cover off the evaporator coil and do a continuity check on the defrost heater and the defrost thermostat. If these both have continuity through them, that means you have either a manual defrost control or a main control board, which has the defrost control inside of it. You can also search for videos on ApplianceVideo.com on how to replace parts of your defrost system. Hey, did this video help you? Well, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.